So today we've got some gutters to clean. I've got leaf blower and cougar paws on. So we're ready to get up there and see what's going on. All right, so I set this ladder up against the chimney, mostly because it's not the gutter. You can damage the gutters by leaning on there. So I've done it before, but I'm always careful to take the better option if it's available. All right, so these gutters, a little bit of debris, but they've got these gutter helmets on them. So I'm just gonna use 1/4-inch driver, hex head driver. Hold on to those screws, folks, you don't wanna lose them. All right, now, these are pretty clear, so I just gotta put this little guy back away. They're not too bad. Little bit of debris here and there kind of gets on there like a shelf. So I'll go around, I'm gonna blow off the top. I'll check a couple of other spots to see if there's any other places where there could be debris kind of piled up under the guards. But these ones are usually pretty efficient. Nothing's gonna necessarily get through there unless it grows in there. A couple seeds can sprout and you get something growing out. So I'll double check, but I'm pretty sure this is quick and easy. You get little pockets of leaves like that. Just get it loose and then we'll blow it out. Now there's a few of these little flanges here which are very helpful for keeping the water from going down. It comes from that little ridge and blocks the water from going straight over and helps it slow down so that it can kind of go down into the little holes for the gutter. So that's why you don't want to take them out. You want to keep them there. Preserve the thing so that it works, functions how it's designed. All right, all finished up, a little dusty, a little dirty, but she's all good, folks.